Hello everybody, welcome to my channel English with Julie. Today I am sharing or starting vocabularies. People say that first step of learning English or communication is to build vocabulary. So I am starting vocabularies that will help me, and also I'm sharing with you these vocabularies. That words, those words starts with A. So let's start vocabularies. The first word is, and also I am giving meaning in English with meaning in Hindi also. So first word is a base, and its meaning in Hindi is नीचा दिखाना, and English is degrade. Second word is abash, means लज्जित करना or to embarrass. Third one is abattoir, is बूचड़ खाना, place where animals are killed. Fourth one is abdicate, means त्याग देना or give up. Fifth one is aberrant, means asamanya, abnormal. Sixth one is abatement, means dus preren, the act of helping someone in wrongdoing. Seventh one is abeyance, means nilambit avastha, suspended action. Eighth one is abhor, means घृणा करना, detest, dislike, hate. These are the meaning. Ninth one is abject, means बुरी हालत में, extremely poor or unhappy. Tenth one is abjure, means सौगंध खाकर त्याग देना, renounce upon oath. 11th one is ablution, means शुद्धि हेतु स्नान, the act of washing oneself. 12th one is abnegation, त्याग देना, अधिकार या दावा, to give up a right or claim. Abode means निवास, the place where someone lives. 14th one is abolish, means उन्मूलन करना, to put an end to. 15th one is abominable, means घृणित, very bad or unpleasant. 16th one is aboriginal, means आदिवासी, native. 17th is abortive, निष्फल, fruitless, futile. Abrasive is घिसने का सामान, substance used for rubbing. 19th one is abridge, means संक्षिप्त करना, shorten. 20th is abrogate, खत्म करना किसी परंपरा या कानून को, abolish some custom, etc. 21 is abscission, means चीरा, cutting off. 22nd is abscond, means भाग जाना, depart secretly. 23rd is absolute, पूर्ण रूप से, complete. 24 is absolve, दोष से मुक्त करना, means pardon. 25th is abstain, means रोकना, परहेज करना, refrain from. 26th is abstract, means संक्षेप, दस्तावेज / सिर्फ भावना के रूप में ही मौजूद, a short form of speech. 27 is abstruse, means मुश्किल, कठिन, difficult to understand. 28 is abysmal, means बहुत बुरा, not measurable, very bad. 29 is accede, means मान जाना, agree to do, 30 is acclaim means प्रशंसा करना, applaud. 31 accolade means पुरस्कार, award of merit. 32 accomplice करना, गुनाह का साथी, partner in crime. 33 accord means सामंजस्य से, do something in complete argument. 34 accused means आरोपी, one who is under trial in a court. Acme means शिखर, peak. 36 acquit means बरी करना, declare to be not guilty. 37 adapt means अनुकूल बनाना, to change to suit different environment. Adapt. 38 means निपुण, proficient. 39 is adolescent means किशोर, one who is growing into an adult. 40 is adulteration means मिलावट, mixing some undesired commodity. 41 is adultery, विवाहेतर संबंध means to have sex outside marriage. 42 adverse प्रतिकूल, unfavorable. 43 aftermath किसी अप्रिय घटना के बाद का समय means the period which follows an undesired event. 44 aghast means हतप्रभ रह जाना, sudden feeling of shock and worry. 45th agile means लचीला, able to move your body quickly. Agony 46 means दर्द, extreme sufferings. 47 आयल, सीट के श्रृंखला के बीच जाने आने का रास्ता means narrow long space distance the two rows of seats. 48 alchemist means paras, one who tries to other base metal into gold. 49 alimony तलाक पश्चात दी जाने वाली रकम, money paid usually to a wife after breakdown of marriage. 50 altar means बेदी, table / place where alimony means तलाक पश्चात दी जाने वाली रकम, altar is. 50 table / place where offerings are put in a religious place. 51 is altercation means कहा सुनी, a loud argument. 52 ambiguous means अस्पष्ट, having more than one possible meaning. 53 amenable means सुझाव स्वीकार करने को तैयार, willing to accept a suggestion. 54 is amiable means दोस्ताना, pleasant and friendly behavior. 55 is angst means चिंता, great anxiety. 56 anguish means वेदना व्यथा, extreme unhappiness. 57 annotate means टिप्पणी, to add a brief explanation. 58 anonymous means गुमनाम, made by someone unknown. 59 is antecedent means पूर्वगामी, something someone existing before. 60 is apathy means उदासीनता, lack of interest. 61 appalling means बहुत भयावह, very bad and shocking. 62 is appeasement means तुष्टीकरण, means the act of giving advantage to one party. 63 is archives means ऐतिहासिक / सरकारी दस्तावेज जहाँ रखा जाए. place where historical records are kept. 64 is argumentative, means बहस करने वाला, often arguing or ready to argue. 65 is articulate, means अच्छा वक्ता, a good orator. 66 asceticism, means sannyas, vairagya, religious beliefs and avoidance of life of pleasure. 67 assault, मारपीट करना, a violent attack. 68 is asset, means संपत्ति, valuables. 69 is atrocities, जुल्म, violent and cruel act. 70 is attenuate, means शांत करना, to calm or soothe. 71 is Sanigharshan, means the gradual weakening of something. 72 is Badhana, add to / increase. 73 is August, means Rajasi, important या majestic. 74 is aura, means abha, a feeling or character a person / place seems to have. 75 is a verse, means napasand, strong disliking. 76 is awful, means atyant bura, hateful. So these are the words that starts with A. So I hope you guys like it. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.